In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to a design on Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, an infographic, or any other kind of document, the right icons can really elevate your design. They add a visual element that can help convey your message more effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to open the project you're working on. So, go into the Visme editor and load up your presentation, infographic, document, or whatever design you have in mind. This is where all the magic is going to happen, so it's essential to have your project ready to go. Once you have your project open in the Visme editor, take a look on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a toolbar loaded with different options for enhancing your design. Click on the Graphics tab in this toolbar. This is your gateway to adding visual elements to your project. Inside the Graphics section, you'll find a variety of categories like shapes, lines and arrows, icons, 3D graphics, and more. For now, what we're interested in are the icons. Clicking on the Icons category will give you access to a vast library of graphical elements that you can incorporate into your design. Now, it's time to find the perfect icon for your project. You have a couple of options here. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to type keywords related to the icon you're looking for. For example, if you need an icon of a person or a computer, simply type in those keywords. This will help you quickly locate the icon that fits your needs. Alternatively, you can browse through icons by style, such as flat, outline, or isometric, to find one that aligns with your design aesthetic. Once you've found an icon that you love, it's time to add it to your project. You can easily click on the icon, and it will automatically be placed onto your canvas. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the icon precisely where you want it. This flexibility allows you to integrate the icon seamlessly into your design layout. After placing the icon, you can make further adjustments to it. You'll notice control handles that let you move, resize, or rotate the icon until it's just right. Play around with these options to see what fits best in your layout. Finally, to ensure that the icon is perfectly tailored to your design, you can customize its appearance. With the icon selected, you have the option to change its color, so it matches the overall color scheme of your design. This step is essential for creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing project. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can add stunning icons to your design in Visme, making your projects not only more informative, but also visually captivating. Now feel free to get creative and explore the wide array of options available in the Visme library.